Welcome back. Now, one of the things that happens inside of Windows 10 is that if you are using multiple monitors, that you may have a window that is open, but you can't see it on the screen and you can't seem to find it. And there is a way to find it. Now, for the sake of this video, we have two windows which are off to the right. Now, in the case that you'd actually be troubleshooting, you wouldn't be able to see these edges. We're just going to place them here because the procedure is going to be the exact same. And so if you have a window that you know is open, but you can't find it on your desktop, what you're going to do is you're going to go and hover over the window that you're going to be looking for. And in this case, we see the window in this area. What we're then going to do is we're going to right-click that window. And then we're going to click the Move command. Once we click the Move command, what you're going to do is you're going to click your arrow. In this case, we're going to click the left arrow, and we're going to bring that window all the way into our screen. And then you'll have your window on your desktop. We're going to repeat this process once more, and we're going to find another window. So for example, let's assume that the window that's going to be missing is going to be this browser by Firefox. Again, what we're going to do is we're going to right-click this image. We're going to click the Move command, and then we're going to click the arrow button, in this case the left arrow, and we're going to slide that window to the point where we can see it, and we can then have access to it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.